So now I'm going to cover a polynomial division shortcut, and that is called synthetic division. So this is a nice shortcut for long division of polynomials, but it only works when you're dividing by factors of the form x minus k, okay? Or it could be x plus k, where that's x minus a negative k, okay? The algorithm for synthetic division only works for divisors of this form. So let's take a look at an example. So to use synthetic division, what I do is I take my k, which in this case is 2, and I write my coefficients of my polynomial in order. I pull down my first term. I say 2 times 2 is 4, and I write that in the next spot. And I add those together. 1 and 4 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So I write that in the next spot. I add those together and I get 0. This was a degree 2. So because I divide it by a degree 1, my remaining polynomial is going to be degree 1 as well. So I have 2x minus 5. That means because I have a remainder of 0, that x minus 2 is a factor of 2x squared plus x minus 10. So I can write x minus 2 times 2x minus 5, and I know this is going to FOIL back to 2x squared plus x minus 10. Okay? And this type of division only works if I have something of the form x minus k. So let's work through a couple more examples, and I want to show you this example right here. So let's use synthetic division to divide x to the fourth minus 10x squared minus 2x plus 4 by x plus 3. Remember, this is x minus negative 3, so negative 3 is going to be our k. I write my coefficients, remembering that I need a placeholder for x cubed. So I've got 1, 0, negative 10, negative 2, 4. And my k is negative 3. I pull down 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 0 and negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. Negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is a positive 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So I get a remainder of 1. That last spot's always going to be our remainder. So now I have a degree 3 equation because I divided by a degree 1. I've got x cubed minus 3x squared, this gives me my coefficients, minus x plus 1 with a remainder of 1 over x plus 3. Note that a 0 has to be included for each missing term in our dividend, so what we're dividing. Here's an example of this worked out. So you could check yourself if you were looking through this PowerPoint at home and wanted to check your work.